it's well, sort of family occasion, or there's one missing at this moment in time, but we've got Lucky Lily in the back. We got the yeah, you know who she is, and you got me, and we're doing another one of those trips that I don't like doing, and shopping again. This time it's food shopping, so it's the stuff that we do need to be getting on with and getting done. We'll let you know how we get on. Not only do I not like shopping, but look at this weather. Absolutely throwing it down. I'm getting my hair wet. You getting wet?
Yes, and you don't even have hair, Daddy.
Don't even have hair. Ugh.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Thank God that's over.
Job I hate to do, but has to be done.
So that's the music back on, but we're not putting music on, are we?
Oh, you meanie! Stop doing that! God! If I burst my eardrum and you have to take me to hospital, it'll be your fault.
What?
Your daughter was banned from school for taking that in because she snuck it into school one day.
You banned from school?
They left it at the Ark and said, please do not let her bring it in again. that.
Well, I'm not actually going to do a vlog today. I'm just going to leave it at the shopping trips today because it's Sunday. As you know, I was working quite late last night and I didn't actually get into bed until early hours of the morning. So I'm very tired today, so I'm not going to be doing a lot today. I'll probably be just vegged out on the settee and just chilling because I've got to do it all again tonight. So I need to get my energy back up again. Going forward, this might be the norm on a weekend during the winter sort of period, stroke spring sort of period until the summer kicks in. I'm going to be doing a lot of like sort of night sort of like hours on the weekend sort of side, so I won't be in a fit state to do a lot. Okay, but remember, I will be around all week now on this vlog channel, and we are looking at doing something amazing on the other channel, but it's just going to take a lot of time to do all the production work for it, but you'll be impressed when it all comes to fruition. So for now, I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to subscribe and put your thumbs up and loads of comments. We'd like to know how you think about this new sort of like vlogging every day, and I'll speak to you all again soon. See ya.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.